Hi, welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday the 9th January 2024. I am back at Bramley Dock, home of the new Everton stadium. It's around lunchtime, 12 o'clock, so we will get up and see what we can see. Okay, we're up in the air. I said I'm not sure how the wind will be, so it might be a good look at the east stand. The big crane has been moved round to the front, but doesn't appear to be doing anything at the moment. So not much happening with the hydraulic tower. Looks like lots of more granite waiting to go down. So the site's looking quite clear now compared to what it has done. Still the two access towers on this side, so they've gone now from the west stand. Still some work being done there above the shop entrance. I am getting wind warnings all the time, so I'm not going to venture too far up and over. Sorry, excuse the car noises. Not too much activity on the south. I'll go and have a look. Go and have a look at the north. It does seem more sheltered around this side. So still that one section of roof they don't do to use it for storage and walking on, apparently, so the final finish doesn't get walked on or damaged. I'll just zooming across there. Looks like more seats are ready to go. doesn't appear to be much activity on the roof. Might be it is just because it's 30-mile-an-hour gusts, so that might just be too much to work in. As you can see, my drone is getting blown quite a bit. So it is going to have to be a video of just around this side. But even then, it's quite a struggle, and it's absolutely burning through the battery. Have a look down here where the security hut is going, and the main vehicular access is going to be there. The granite looks really good with the railway lines, etc. It's a nice feature. It'll look really different when it's all finished. Someone did tell me soon there will be some of the curved, I suppose you could still call it roofing on the sides, going to go on, just a little section so people can see. There's a lot of people asking, is it going to be shiny like the original pictures? And I've been told it will be, but I guess we will wait and see. So a quick shout out to one of my subscribers, Alan, who I've met here today. It's good to meet you. Not a huge amount I can really bring you, unfortunately, with the wind like this. Someone is working on the wall there. You can see that from where I'm stood. So I guess closing in the gaps, and I do believe the blockwork, brickwork, stonework, whatever you'd want, whatever the proper term is being replaced above it. So it looks like it's that them gates have been built into the wall rather than the wall cut out and them put in, so this hopefully will look part of the wall. Right, I'm gonna have to leave it there. It's too windy to fly over the stadium, unfortunately, so I will try again in a couple of days if the wind drops. So if you do like what you see, do like, share and subscribe. Helps my channel grow, and I look forward to seeing you next time.